Short Tigrinya Grammar, ሰዋስው Tigrinya. In this chapter, we will look at verbs in Tigrinya, gese. The section on verbs in Tigrinya Grammar is very extensive. We will try to keep it as short as possible. In Tigrinya Grammar, a verb is a fundamental part of speech that describes an action. In Tigrinya, the verb usually comes at the end of the sentence. We will cover the following aspects of verbs: infinitive verbs, helping, auxiliary verbs, conjugation of verbs, modal verbs, tenses, the present, past, and future.
Infinitive verbs. In English, infinitive verbs are usually preceded by to. In Tigrinya, however, they are preceded by the prefix me. Unlike in English, this prefix is written as part of the verb, which makes it difficult to create or use a dictionary unless you are familiar with the language. Therefore, when referring to a verb, it is customary to use the past tense conjugation with the third-person masculine pronoun.
ዘይተወሰነ ወይ መሰረታዊ ግሲ ምኻድ ከደ
To go.
ምብላዕ በልዐ
To eat.
ምሕሳብ ሓሰበ
To think.
ምርኣይ ረኣየ
To see.
ምድቃስ ደቀሰ
To sleep. Sentences.
ምሉእ ሓሳባት እቲ ህፃን ምኻድ ጀሚሩ
The baby started to walk.
ንሱ ምብላዕ ይፈቱ
He likes to eat.
ምሕሳብ ኣቋርጽ
Stop to think.
ምርኣይ ክልክሉ እዩ
It is not allowed to look.
ንሳ ነዊሕ ምድቃስ ትፈቱ
She likes to sleep longer.
Follow and like the channel, and share with whom which wishes to learn Tigrinya.